What if? Two simple words that can either spark creativity or ignite fear. But what if I told you there's a creature that feeds on these words, growing bigger and nastier with every doubt, every fear, and every hesitation? Meet the what if monster. Let's say you're thinking about purchasing your first cryptocurrency. You're excited, you're curious, but then the what if monster strikes.
What if you lose all your money? What if this is a scam? What if you're not smart enough to do this?
It's normal to feel uncertain when venturing into the unknown, but to overcome the what if monster, you must be prepared. Do your research, understand the market, know your limits. What if you lose money? Sure, that's possible, but what if you gain the knowledge that helps you make informed decisions in the future? What if you take control of your financial destiny? Then there's that real estate opportunity. You've got a chance to invest, but just as you reach for it, the what if monster roars again.
What if this isn't the season to invest? What if the renters don't pay? What if the market tanks and you lose everything?
The what if monster thrives on your fears of the unknown. But here's the secret. Every successful investor has faced this monster. The key is to arm yourself with knowledge. Analyze the market trends. Have a backup plan for renters. Diversify your investments. What if the market tanks? Then you adapt, you pivot, and you grow stronger. What if this opportunity is the one that changes your life?
Maybe you want to start a YouTube channel. You have ideas, creativity, and passion. But guess who shows up?
What if it takes 10 years to get monetized? What if no one likes your content? What if your competitors steal your ideas?
The what if monster wants you to believe that success is out of reach, but here's the truth. Success is built on persistence, passion, and patience. What if it takes 10 years? Then every year you're learning, growing, and getting better. What if no one likes your content? Then you're one step closer to finding the audience that does. What if your ideas are stolen? Then you create new ones, because creativity is limitless. The what if monster will always be there, lurking in the shadows, waiting to pounce. But remember, the monster only has as much power as you give it. Overcoming the what if monster isn't about ignoring the risks. It's about acknowledging them and moving forward anyway. It's about courage, resilience, and belief in yourself. So the next time the what if monster comes knocking, ask yourself, what if I succeed? What if I grow? What if this is the start of something amazing? What if you become unstoppable? You've seen the what if monster in action, and you've seen how you can overcome it, but the journey doesn't end here.
We all have our own what if monsters, don't we? That voice in the back of our minds that sows seeds of doubt and fear. But here's the good news. You're not alone. Everyone has faced the what if monster at some point in their lives. And just like those who faced it before, you can overcome it too.
It's time to take control. It's time to silence that nagging voice that says, what if I fail? And replace it with a new voice that asks, what if I succeed? Overcoming the what if monster, educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Whether it's investing, starting a business, or creating content, the more you know, the less the what if monster can scare you. Create a plan. Having a solid plan with clear steps reduces uncertainty and gives you confidence to move forward. Take small steps. Break down your goal into manageable tasks. Each small success shrinks the what if monster a little more. Seek support. Surround yourself with positive, encouraging people who believe in your vision and can help you see beyond the what ifs. Embrace failure as learning. Remember, failure isn't the end, it's a step towards success. The what if monster feeds on the fear of failure, but you can starve it by embracing failure as a learning experience. Now it's your turn. Share your story of how you're battling your own what if monster. Inspire others by showing that it can be done. Together, we can defeat the what if monster one challenge at a time. What if we all stand together against the what if monster? Imagine the possibilities. Defeat the what if monster. Your future is worth the fight.